All you have to do, guys, is paste this one command into the terminal, press enter, and this will install the skill. This can be used in any AI coding terminal or otherwise, and the quality of what it actually builds is absolutely crazy. This is an example from Claude Code. Today we're going to be doing OpenCode to see if it can follow skills properly, but the quality of this website, it's a fully fledged, ready to rank website for a business in Dublin. Let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so recently I've been mixing a couple of things together and I've managed to make a skill which I think a lot of people will be interested in. This builds websites that are ready to rank on Google, as well as, if not better, than things like bolt.new and lovable.dev. Now obviously you can do your own thing with the UI UX, but the important thing is this base of a website is so strong that it will be able to be sold to someone very, very easily. Now this thing comes with a basic admin system built into it, a database that you can obviously offer to host for the person that you sell the website to. You can do maintenance for them every single month, show them that they're actually getting leads, etc., etc. This is the kind of thing that people have been waiting for. So how do we do it? So the first thing you need to do is you need to run the command. I'll leave the command in the description. I'd recommend doing all, just do all. And then once you've run that command, we're going to write OpenCode right here. And then once OpenCode loads, let's just quickly update to 1.4.0. There we go. OpenCode. Let's see what's new. Okay, so there's a few new things here, nothing too major. But there is one thing that I do want to mention. They basically pulled the rug out from under us, and this Qwen model is no longer free. I am still going to be using this Qwen model because I think it's probably the best open source model, or open weights model, if it even is open weights. I don't actually know if it is. But yeah, I just think it's really, really good still, and I'm just going to use it because it's extremely cheap. Now, there are some alternatives to using this. You could use anti-gravity for free. You could use Codex CLI for free, right? Or you can use the Codex app even if you're on a Mac. You could use this completely for free. But yeah, I'm going to be using a cheap OpenCode model just because I think that's probably the best test of things. So this does still say free, but I don't think it's free anymore as far as I understand it. So once inside here, once you've selected your model, let's just quickly check if so what is it? No, Qwen 3.6. Okay, so it's not there. So all you do is you just write /skills and then you look for that skill, right? So I'm looking for Astro. I'll just write Astro. There we go. And then say, I'm just going to do that and say activate the onboarding for this skill. I just want to know how well this can, okay, follow the commands. Okay, so I've now set the model to Qwen 3.6 plus, just so you know. I had to go through and get Claude Code to change that for me, just because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And then now let's write skills and write Astro. So this uses Astro, just so you know. Activate the onboarding. Astro is a really, really good system for this kind of stuff. And then it uses a Terso database as well, which is completely for free. Okay, so I just had to quickly make sure that it was finding the proper files. It was trying to read an incorrect path, but I managed to get it in the end. There we go. So now it's read all of the skill instead of just part of the skill. I want to know how well this model inside OpenCode can follow skills. So I'm testing both this model and also OpenCode skills at the same time. So what is your niche or business? What's the primary goal of the site? So let's say, let's try something different. So an AI tool directory. I want to show you guys that you can do many different things with this setup, right? So we're making an AI tool directory. Yes, I want a database. Do you want to generate images? Yeah, I guess so. Let's try it. Okay, so I just topped up $10. Let's see how much this costs at the very end. Let's see if it can manage to do this entire thing within its 1 million context window. Now, these are the steps that it's created. This is pretty interesting. Okay, and now we basically just let this run and we'll see how good this combination of OpenCode plus skills plus the new Qwen 3.6 open weights or open source model, or will be open weights / open source model does. And we'll be back when this finishes. This will take quite a while. We'll see how much it costs as well. Okay, so one thing just to mention quickly, guys, is this is doing the very basic thing of creating data from its memory. I wouldn't recommend this. Now, unfortunately, for some reason, OpenCode's web search isn't working. So one thing I would change straight away is that instead of using OpenCode, I would probably use Claude Code for this because it's much better at doing web searches. Now, it's supposed to do research on things like this. That's what the skill says. But because web search was failing earlier, it's just decided to create this data from its own memory. So the end result here will unfortunately be Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4 and stuff like that inside the data, which is less than ideal, and it's not what we're trying to actually build. But unfortunately, just because OpenCode's web search wasn't working, it had to do it from its memory. So that's just one thing to mention here. This would be fixed by using this in Claude Code instead, which is most likely the test that I'm going to do next. Okay, guys, so the bot is still running, but this is kind of what it looks like, right? So, okay, so like I said, it is still running. Let's see what we've actually got here. So some of these things are 404ing because it hasn't finished yet. There are still some errors, unfortunately, but overall, I mean, the homepage looks pretty nice. Let's just click on one of these. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, guys, before we give you the final reveal, a quick shout out from our sponsor, me. This is HarborSEO.ai, a tool that I've been working on since 2024, and I'm trying to now make it the best SEO content generator on the market. With huge updates such as increasing the quality of the content writer to Sonnet 4.6, the new clusters feature, which allows you to scan your website, find clusters, and then work on topical authority, the spy, which allows you to look at your competitors and find out what they're writing and then write those articles yourselves, and much, much more. As you can see, the founder offer is finishing in 14 hours. You can still go ahead and grab a free trial, which will give you the founder pricing, and just look at how well these articles are ranking on Google. Only 100 pages published. It's obviously much more than that, but this is just 100 people who have actually gone in and pressed publish. 34,000 impressions and 380 clicks in just 100 pages. Thanks for the attention, guys. Go check out Harbor SEO in the description and in the pinned comment, and then let's look at the final result. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it's pretty much finished. There's a few things that still need to be finished, but it's just taking so long that I'm probably just going to jump in. It's literally been running for like 30 minutes. So just so you guys know, like the ability to run for a long time is basically how people measure how good something is, right? So this ran for pretty much 30 minutes straight, non-stop. I didn't give it any input or anything like that. And this is what it created. Now, this looks pretty damn good, to be honest with you. It looks like Claude Opus. This is pretty much what Claude Opus would output. If I click on ChatGPT, you can see that this is an actual page, right, that would rank on Google. So ChatGPT review features pricing alternatives. This is a really good base for something much, much bigger, which I will probably actually make. The reason I would make this, by the way, is because I want to rank Harbor, right? So I can put Harbor SEO inside this tool and maybe get a few more people clicking on Harbor, right? So that's why I would do that. It's done breadcrumbs, which I didn't even ask it to do breadcrumbs. It's got this entire browse feature right here. This is really, really good, I have to say. If you compare this to a build with, like, for example, WordPress, this is significantly better than what it would have done with WordPress. So just so you all know, this is using a database. So when I click on Perplexity, what it does is it gets the information from the database and shows it to people. When people click submit a tool, it's the same thing. It puts them in the database, right? So that's actually how that's working. So blogs is here. There's no blogs right now. Compare doesn't exist. It's a 404. It's already done the 404 page though, which is pretty nice. Let's see what happens if I click this. There we go. ChatGPT versus Claude. Very nice. This is very, very interesting stuff, guys. If I can increase the quality of the search, right, so that this is all real information, up-to-date models, up-to-date pricing, etc., you can see just how quick and easily you could make one of these websites and actually have it rank on Google. So you can see right here, this is the submit a tool. So you could submit a tool right here, and then, you know, the admin or whatever would come and accept the tool. Let's see if it did the admin page, because it is supposed to. But yeah, overall, a 43-minute run for a free, not free, sorry, they're not free anymore, for a cheap Chinese model inside a free AI coder is pretty damn crazy, I have to say. Okay, so there we go. This is the admin dashboard. Let's go to newsletter. Let's put my email here. This is so damn cool, actually. This looks really nice as well, I have to say. Let's refresh this. There we go. Bang, newsletter subscribers. This is a whole website, a whole business built in 43 minutes. Let's check the cost. So let's go to logs here. Let's go to credits. Now, obviously, my OpenRouter is used by other things at the same time, but the cost of this was about $2.30, $2.50. I would guess it was less than that, probably $1.80. Absolutely insane that you can now build an entire business in 45 minutes for less than $2. Absolutely crazy. Let's just submit a tool. So Harbor SEO, HTTPS, HarborSEO.ai. Select a category, so marketing and SEO, I guess. Harbor SEO writes SEO content for people. I don't know. Hamish income stream server at gmail.com. Submit for review. There we go. And then let's go back to /admin. There we go. So now I can press approve, right? And then that's so cool. That's actually so cool. So does that then just put the Harbor in the thing in here? Harbor. No. Okay, so there's obviously a couple of things missing, guys. The fact that it doesn't then send Harbor here is a mistake, but these are all things that, like, if I did this inside Claude Code instead, it would do all of these things instantly for sure. But yeah, guys, I'm going to leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. I think this has been a really, really good test. I would like to do this again inside Claude Code and start to make directories and maybe get them out there, because I think this is a really good way to rank on Google and to help Harbor also rank on Google. Thank you for watching. Peace out.